This is going to be a reading for the sign of Libra, all that I need to know moving forward. So let's start. What's happening with you guys for the next, let's take 7 days. Libra for the next 7 days, please. Okay, with 8 of Cups, bad card to get, right? 8 of Swords. So many of you guys are caught up with a decision whether you should stay stuck or walk away. Many of you guys could be trying to walk away but cannot. Okay, really trying hard to walk the fuck away, but you guys are still finding yourself stuck to the situation. Okay, one more card. What else do you see happening in Libra's life? Not a good start, darling. Really not a good start. Bad card. Okay, what else? Oh my god, 7 of Wands. Maybe many of you guys are having your walls up against this person. Okay, this person could have done you wrong, and that's the reason why you are not letting them in. Okay, with Knight of Pentacles in the reverse, maybe that this person was breadcrumbing you or hardly giving you a shit. Okay, it is like love bombing, gaslighting. You know, like where someone just pretends to be a part of you just for the sake of it or for the benefits. And now many of you guys could have realized that, and you guys are kind of acting on it or acting up on it. Okay, one card for what's your energy like towards the connection, Libra. Mind you, I don't do readings for Libra who are in a very beautiful, happy, loving connection. So, you know, if you're one of those who are in a happy connection, there's no reason to continue watching this. Okay, in terms of your relationship connection with the Moon card as energy, a lot of things are hidden. Your person is not giving you clarity. Your person is keeping you hanging. You do not know what this person is up to, what they're doing, who they're with. Nothing. Lots of fears, lots of illusions, lots of secrets. Okay, one more card. In terms of your person, what are they going through? Libra soulmate. In terms of your person, what are they going through? Okay, your person has a choice to make. The Lovers. Okay, in the recent past, this person could have given into their work or their career. They were very focused on just staying self-reliant, not so bothered about connections. But now I believe they have to finally make the choice between two people, the Lovers. Okay, they have a choice between either you and someone else. One more card. In terms of how thinking about you, how is the Libra soul thinking about Libra spirit? Wheel of Fortune. So their feelings for you have never been stable. It's always on and off. Some days they feel strongly, and some days they feel like nothing much. Some days they could feel like they are missing you, and some days they are fine without you. Okay, in the recent past, yes, definitely some of them could have tried to reach out or they were missing you. But right now with the Wheel of Fortune, their feelings cannot be very much, how do I put it, like trusted. Okay, it keeps shifting, to be honest. One more card. In terms of their energy towards you now, Libra soulmate energy towards Libra. The Fool card. Please clarify the Fool for me. What's the Fool mean here? What does the Fool mean here? Okay. With 9 of Cups, it's like, this is a typical Libra reading. It's like a person knows that you are the one that makes them happy. You are the one that they keep coming back to. Regardless of whatever the situation, this person still finds themselves at crossroads. Okay, they have a choice to make. Maybe, just maybe, that they have a other choice that's much more easier in whatever terms. Okay, they don't have to do much changes, and that other option could be getting in the way for many of you. But if you ask me, does my person still love me? Does my person still want me? you know they want you, they love you, but the problem is they keep messing the connection up by bringing up third parties or keeping themselves open towards new soulmates. Okay, one more card. In terms of how do they think about you now, like in connection wise, how do they think about Libra spirit? Six of Cups. They know that you are their person, they just know it. Okay, and for many of you in the recent past or maybe a week back, this person did reach out with a very sexual energy. Out of nowhere they started acting like they still want you, they are very interested, and out of nowhere right now they are kind of behaving strange. Okay, so one more card. In terms of their intentions towards you, what are the intentions towards Libra, please, for the next 7? For the next 7, what do we see? Star card. Regardless of whatever has happened, they still want to possibly give you that hope and faith that this thing is still on. Okay, regardless of they are still keeping that fucking option open, this person is still wanting to prove to you that they are still very much interested. Regardless of whatever has happened or whosoever you've watched in terms of tarot, from what I feel and what I read, your person is going to come back and give you that hope in directly or indirectly that this is still on with you. Okay. One more card. In terms of what action are they want to take towards you now? What action are they truly want to take towards you? With the magician card, I definitely see them wanting to manifest this connection all over again. One more card. In terms of what can you expect, however, what can Libras possibly expect? I hate doing this. Your readings start on a very bad note and they end on a good note, or they start on a very good note and end on a bad note. It's always extreme with Libras. With King of Cups, yes, for many of you, by the end of this week, or possibly by maybe by Sunday, Monday, that your person will start acting on their feelings again. They'll start behaving warm. They'll start behaving gentle towards you, kind, generous. Okay, they'll start opening up. Do not expect them to express their feelings, but they'll start behaving sweet, warm, kind, generous. Like they'll be there. Okay, like basically they'll be around. One more card. What's shifted, Spirit? What's shifted? Nine of Swords. The moment you get away, or the moment you start distancing yourself, it freaks them out. It makes them realize who they want more, or what is best for them. Even if their other option seems easier, whatever ways, they still can't let you go. Any amount of distance between the two of you freaks them out to chase you again. Okay, you'll realize that as soon as you guys stay away, this person starts chasing you or coming behind. Okay, in terms of what you can expect out of this connection, we have Ace of Wands. So there is a high possibility that this person will reach out again, and will try to kind of seduce you in some which way into getting back with them. Okay, I do feel in the past they gave in to their addictions, or they gave in to their their unnecessary ways of getting more attention and fucking shit up over again. Your person has a problem with wanting attention. When someone wants attention, you can't really trust that person much, right? And your person has been somewhat like that, where they have always been on and off with you. Reason being, a third person always fucks shit up, right? So yes, overall, where things are going for you guys, where things are going for the two of you. The problem is with Two of Pentacles, I still see the connection being on and off. Okay, reason being, your person isn't coming in with a very honest offer. They don't want you to get away, but the problem is your person isn't investing 100%. Okay, one card for what are they hiding from you? What's the Libra soulmate hiding from Libra? What's the Libra soulmate truly hiding from Libra? Eight of Pentacles, please clarify. Cups. One more card. I believe this person will reach out and wanna possibly make you understand how strong this connection is with you. Okay, the problem has always been Ten of Cups. Does this have a future? That always gets in the way. Okay, with Knight of Wands, still, even though your person has feelings, even though your person loves you crazy, they still have this player like energy, and a player like energy cannot be trusted 100%. Me as a tarot reader, we always do these readings which are energetic, which kind of connect with you guys, but sometimes the outcome may not relate with everyone. We can't bloody say that all of you are going to come together. That just won't make sense. If all outcomes or all endings of the readings have ever made sense, people would have never come again. You know what I'm trying to say? So the energy, that's the previous energy, how they are thinking, intention, all that might relate, but the outcome for all of you, it might not go the exact way. Okay, in terms of how do they feel for Libra, like what are their honest feelings for Libra, please? With Queen of Pentacles, the problem with them is that they are madly attached with you. Okay, I would almost say obsessed with the Devil card. With Queen of Pentacles, they do care a lot about you. In the recent past, this person could have tried to get back with you, but right now, they are thinking of the right way to approach you. They are thinking of how to get back with you. Okay, they do have regrets over what has been done, but the problem is, are they going to change? That's the problem. If someone can regret all their life, but if they can't change, or if they don't want to change, things will be the same. You just keep repeating cycles, right? One more card. In terms of how are they thinking about this connection now? Three of Pentacles. Why is it Three of Pentacles here, Spirit? Two of Wands. I believe this person is still looking forward to you, regardless of a third party or not. This person is still gonna wanna be a part of you, whether you're wanting it or not. Okay, all those who are in a third party situation, what's going on with your person? Third party situation, Libra. What's going on with your person? One more card. Third party situation, person, I believe your person has ended things with you, but I do feel they are going to try to take some sort of action towards you. The third party person, I believe in the recent past they could have kind of ended things with you. Okay, but they do have interest of coming back or reaching out or messaging you. All those who are single, Libras who are single, what's going on with them? I got the disturbing news of my sister being admitted in the hospital, and she's not been doing well for a couple of days due to corona. So yeah, the family atmosphere is kind of a little heavy. Life goes on. Gotta be strong. Okay, single Libras, nothing is moving forward. Okay, in the recent past, someone could have rejected you, or you could have felt rejected, or you could have felt humiliated or not taken seriously. Right now, I don't see you doing much. You're rather just waiting and just hanging around. Okay, one more card for what's coming for single Libras. Four of Pentacles. To be very honest, not much. Reason being, you guys are not being very open towards new connections. Libras who are kind of in a situationship or kind of in a relationship, what's going on with them? Libras who are kind of in relationship, your person, if they've been ghosting you or if they've been staying away, this person, I would say 80% would come forward. Okay, they will definitely try to come forward in terms of where things could be going between the two of you for the next 7 days. Libra and their person who are in kind of in a situation, relationship. I believe even though they come forward, you're still defensive. Okay, and you're still focused on the past. Okay, in terms of what else does Libra overall need to know? Different levels. So for some of you, you and your person are not on the same level. Okay, like your thinking is different, their thinking is different, your upbringing could be different, their upbringing could be different, your work profile is different, their work profile could be different, but definitely something is getting in the way. Okay, one last card. For some of you, your person still wanted to stay friends with you after ghosting you, or after possibly letting you go in the past, or rejecting you in terms of relationship. And many of you Libras, I believe you guys are trying to wrap it up and move elsewhere, but you guys are not being able to. Okay, Some of you, your person has self-esteem issues. They might not be your level, so they lack confidence of moving things forward with you. Okay. And last card we have is I'm obsessed with you, addicted. Okay, so that would be the title of the video for Libras. Please kindly, I request all of you to hit the like button, support the channel. Every like counts, it helps me grow. Okay. And support your sign. There's this contest of more likes for every sign, so it kind of helps. So yeah. And I hope you guys enjoyed the reading. I hope it connected more than you guys enjoying it. And yeah, I hope you guys made the right decision. There's no reason for you guys to be a third tire in someone's life when you can be someone's main person, right? And that's all, darling. Stay safe, look after your people, look after your family, look after your loved ones. Don't put yourself down just to be a part of something. Okay. All those who want a personal reading, please do reach out on my website or my WhatsApp. Let me know like what you guys want. And yeah, I hope to see you guys soon. Cheers. I'm a bit off today, to be honest. I'm really sorry if I came off a bit low, but the family atmosphere has been a bit heavy. My uncle's not doing well, he's in the hospital. My cousin's not doing well, so you know how the atmosphere is. So yeah, I hope everything goes well for everyone. Cheers. Take care. Stay safe.